This video will show you how to use the Oilfield Exceptions, which will include the 24-hour restart versus the 34-hour restart, well waiting time, also known as line 5, and the alternate split brake option for well waiting. The first thing to do if you are in the oil and gas industry and you need to use any of the Oilfield Exceptions is to go to the exception button on your time clock screen. We'll touch the time clock icon on the bottom right corner. Once you're on the time clock screen, touch the exceptions button in the bottom right corner. Touch the Oilfield exception and it will slide to the right and turn orange. Touch your dismiss or back button and it will put you back on the time clock screen. You can see on the labels in the bottom right corner on the exception area that the Oilfield exception is turned on. Now touch the logs on the bottom of the time clock. You will now see the 5th line added on the bottom of the graph for well waiting. Once the Oilfield exception is turned on, you will automatically have a 24-hour restart for your cycle versus the standard 34-hour restart. The next 2 exceptions require you to be categorized as specially trained and to have special constructed commercial motor vehicles. You can look up the scope of this on FMCSA waiting time provision in section 395.1D2. To put yourself into well waiting, all you have to do is go to change your status once you have the Oilfield exception turned on. Touch your current status and you will now see well waiting. Go ahead and touch well waiting. And you will see your graph line drop to your 5th line well waiting. Your time will now be considered off duty while you wait and it will stop your 14-hour clock. Once you're in well waiting, you will also be able to have a split sleeper for well waiting. That is for specially trained drivers of specially constructed oil well servicing vehicles. It is different because you may accumulate the 8 consecutive hours off duty required by 395.3 by combining off-duty time or sleeper berth time at a natural gas or oil well site with off-duty time or sleeper berth time while en route to or from the well. Now you know how to use the Oilfield exceptions, including 5th line well waiting. As always, please reach out to our support team by email at support@connexeo.com or by phone at 865-888-My20 if you have any questions. Take care and drive safe.